I wake up, I thank God. I always say, thank you, Lord. Universe, thank you for everything. Thank you for all the hurt, for all the pain that I've been through, for all the blessings in my life. Thank you so much. Kung na dyan nga ako, I don't mind. Kasi makapag sa akong life. Diba ko pareha? Sometimes, I would tell myself, or mas uyabi ako sa uban na, wow, look at them, dapat nakikay sila na successful ang ganda. But I come to realize that life is really simple. Na, all you need is, you just have a loving partner, a respectful partner, someone that will give you peace of mind, someone that will not punish you if you confront them, if you feel insecure, if there are times that you feel bad, and kind of partner na you're free to express your emotions back. So that's when I realized that life is just simple. So as long so now I started to say, pray to God that I just want a partner who will love me for who I am, who will give me peace of mind, who will protect my mental health. Kasi matabaw ko magkakulab ka sa lalaki ko kay control isn't part of the relationship. But dili kay control niya. So mga doon lang ang those women who don't have money, because women who don't have money is easy to manage. So mga ang uban mapahimusla, no? So they will take advantage of it. So naabot namin yung mga auntie, and bona na kung mga auntie kasi siginod mga kabaka always video machika nga kasunod mga auntie, ha. And we're here mga auntie. O mauna ko na ang mga auntie. Namuha ko ng iPhone mga auntie. Kaya di mo ko na iPhone akong phone mga auntie. Amot lang. Makapaimo sila. Basta iPhone ko na mo. Dahil na yung tinuod niya na. Hindi. It is mga auntie. Di mo ko guwapa mga auntie. Pero buotan lang. So wala. It's not a matter. Amot lang. For me. As long as buotan ka. Importante mong batasan. That's it. So mga auntie. Pandais mga auntie because of my work mga auntie. Call center agent. Night time. Magchika niya to next video mga auntie, ha. Nabot namin mga auntie. Bye for now.